viewers, our today's topic is focus. What do you mean focus? Focus is the most important thing to get success in anything. If you want to be successful, if you want to achieve anything, you have to have focus on that particular thing. Giving all your concentration, all your attention, all your propensity to one task at a time is called focus. When you give all your concentration to just one thing at a time, that's called focus, and that is very important. And without giving focus, without focusing on a particular thing, you cannot achieve anything. Now I would like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. What are the benefits of focus? First of all, let's discuss the benefits of focus. When you focus on one thing at a time, not a cluster of things, then you become quicker. You do the things quickly. You give the output very quickly. Number two, you give better quality because you're concentrating on one thing at a time. You're not getting distracted. You're not getting disturbed. So you understand that thing, and with expertise, you give better quality and with a peace of mind, without any kind of disturbances and impediments of any kinds. You give the better quality. Number three, third benefit is less stress. There are lots of things at a time. You get many distractions. You get a lot of disturbances from that. When you have so many things at a time to do, you get a little bit upset and you get worried and stressed. That gives you a lot of stress. No matter whatever your level of expertise is, or you're a senior person, but if you have to do a given task after task, then you get stressed, and that affects your work as well, the quality of work as well, and the timing of the work is also affected because one work is still made and another task been given, so you get disturbed in this way. Number three, use the subconscious mind. When you're doing one thing repeatedly several times, you get expert on that with the passage of time. For example, initially when you learn driving, you keep all your concentration, all your senses while driving, and you get tired. It's an exhaustive job. But after 1 or 2 years, you keep thinking about your own matters. Your mind keeps processing other things as well, and you don't get to know that when a particular stop passed by, and you don't notice even that. Your subconscious mind gets in function with the passage of time when you are focused on any particular task, and you get a lot of expertise in that. In short, in order to achieve anything great, if you're going to do a very important thing, then you have to give all your concentration, all your attention to that one particular task at a time. If you keep thinking about lots of things, if you start many tasks at a time, your mind gets off the track and you cannot achieve that particular thing well in time, or the quality of that work also gets affected. Now the question arises, how to acquire focus, how to stay focused, how to continuously focus on something, how to enhance your power of focus. You have to do daily exercises. That's very important. It's been said that a healthy mind is always in a healthy body. If you keep exercising, if you take care of your body, if you're strong enough, healthy enough, then you can do anything in a better way, in a beautiful way. So if you're healthy, you can focus on the things. If you are energetic, you can focus on the things in a better way. As compared to a person who's a sick one, he cannot focus. You yourself might have experienced this. And when we are sick, we cannot concentrate on one thing at a time. We get exhausted and we get irritated. So, second thing is healthy nutrition. You have to take care of your nutrition. You have to take juices. You have to have fruits. You have to have proper meals on time, and that's very vital to keep you healthy and fit, so that you can focus well. Write down all your tasks. Writing your tasks, putting all your tasks in black and white is very important to remind you. All these tasks remain in your active memory, and you have set a priority of all these tasks. You have to schedule them after consulting or discussing or getting permission from your boss or the leader, immediate boss, that which task has to be done first and which to be later. And you have a peace of mind. And with the peace of mind, when you do things, you perform better, and you do things very quickly and miraculously in a better way. And creativity even comes when you focus. But when you're doing lots of things simultaneously, you can't be a creative person. And eliminate distractions. You have to eliminate distractions. In our daily working life, what happens is that a lot of people keep coming without any purpose, or there are lots of distractions. So you have to try to eliminate these distractions. If you are a manager, if you are a leader, then you have to provide such sort of peaceful environment to employees where there is least possible distractions, unnecessary distractions to be eliminated as soon as possible. This will put a great impact on the performance of employees. Employees will give you works quickly, more than your expected time, and the quality will be better, and things will be accelerated, expedited, and along with that, there will be creativity as well. In the employees, you find that there is creativity. They'll become expert in the things, and then they'll start handling multiple tasks at a time as well. Next, set daily small goals. Initially, if employees are at a beginner level, then you give them daily small goals so that they can accomplish those tasks and feel achievement motivation, sort of motivation that we have done it, we have achieved it. So later on, you have to enhance the task, and amount of work has to be enhanced with the passage of time. You don't have to bombard the employee at the initial or beginner level with lots of work to do. They'll get stressed, and in this way they won't give you the better results. So setting daily small goals and achieving them enhances your focus, because you're setting small goals and pursuing them and doing them well in time and a better way. Then you get motivated, and you focus, your attention, your concentration enhances. The last but not the least, and very important, is enough sleep. Enough sound sleep is very important for doing anything in life. If you are not properly sleeping, then your mind will not remain at one particular thing. It will deviate. It will be diverted soon, because you haven't had proper rest, and you get exhausted soon, and your mind gets deviated to other things. Proper sleep, when you are having a proper sleep, you get a strong mind and strong way of thinking. The flow of ideas better flow of ideas come to you, and you can concentrate deeply on the things if you have had a proper sleep. So you have to take care of all these things, and in order to enhance your focus. Hope this video will help you to achieve focus and achieve all the great things in life. All the great people, examples of Sachin Tendulkar, example Seema Akram, Imran Khan, these are sports person. They've had a lot of how Sachin could play so successful, how Virat Kohli is playing so successful, how Babar Azam is playing so tactfully, and other players are not. He has a lot of focus in it. How Stokes is playing better, they are having a lot of focus. Similarly, this applies in working life and other things of life. The more a person is focused on things, on doing one thing continuously, and keeping all his propensity and attention and inclination towards that particular thing, he achieves more, and he does it in better way, in an expert way. Thank you very much.